Have you ever wondered how critical trainer aircrafts are to a nation's armed forces, specifically the Indian Armed Forces? Let's take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes of the sky, the trainer aircraft. These machines are not just pieces of advanced technology, they are the stepping stones that transform novice aviators into skilled pilots ready for the front line. In the Indian Armed Forces, trainer aircraft play an indispensable role. They serve as the first touchpoint for aspiring pilots, offering them a practical introduction to the dynamics of flight before they are exposed to the high-stakes world of combat flying. This initial experience is crucial in shaping their understanding and respect for the powerful machines they will later command. But the role of trainer aircraft extends far beyond basic flight training. They are essential in honing a pilot's skills, simulating various flight conditions, and teaching them the intricacies of tactical maneuvers, emergency responses, and so much more. They provide a safe, controlled environment where pilots can make mistakes and learn from them without the fear of catastrophic consequences. Moreover, these trainers help to conserve our fleet of state-of-the-art fighter jets. By taking on the brunt of training sessions, they save these invaluable machines from unnecessary wear and tear, potential damage, and the risk of accidents. This not only prolongs the service life of our fighter jets, but also significantly reduces the cost associated with their maintenance and repair. Trainer aircraft are, without question, the backbone of any successful air force. They are the silent workhorses that ensure our pilots are well-equipped, well-prepared, and well-trained to defend our skies. The importance of quality trainer aircraft cannot be overstated. They foster confidence in our pilots, reinforce their skills, and ultimately ensure the safety and success of our military operations. So, the next time you gaze up at the sky and see one of these trainers soaring above, remember the pivotal role they play. Without these unsung heroes of the sky, our fighter pilots might never reach their full potential. Now, let's shift our focus to a remarkable piece of aviation technology, the L-39 Albatros trainer. The L-39 Albatros trainer, a name that resonates with power and elegance, is a high-performance jet trainer developed in the heart of Czechoslovakia. Born in the late 60s, its purpose was clear: to provide a stepping stone for pilots transitioning from propeller-driven aircrafts to the faster, more complex jet fighters. This remarkable aircraft has been a cornerstone in the aviation industry, with over 2,800 units produced. It's been utilized by over 30 countries worldwide, and its longevity speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. The L-39 Albatros is not just a trainer, it's an opportunity, a bridge connecting the past and the future of aviation. It's been designed with an open cockpit layout, providing an excellent field of view for both the instructor and the trainee. This design element is critical in providing a real-world, hands-on experience of flying a high-speed jet aircraft. The Albatros is powered by an Ivchenko AI-25TL turbofan engine, delivering a top speed of nearly 550 miles per hour. It's not just the speed that's impressive, it's the way the Albatros handles. It's nimble, responsive, and forgiving, making it an ideal platform for training pilots. The Albatros also offers a sturdy platform for weapon training. It's capable of carrying a variety of weapons, from unguided rockets to gun pods, providing trainee pilots with a comprehensive understanding of weapon systems and their application in a combat scenario. The L-39 Albatros trainer is more than just an aircraft. It's an educator, a mentor in the sky. It's been instrumental in shaping the careers of countless pilots, teaching them the fundamentals of high-speed flight, precision maneuvering, and weapons handling. With its unique capabilities, the L-39 Albatros trainer holds a distinctive position in the world of trainer aircrafts. It stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the limitless possibilities that open up when we dare to reach for the skies. It's time to delve into the fascinating technical specifications of the L-39 Albatros trainer. At the heart of the L-39 Albatros trainer is the Ivchenko AI-25TL turbofan engine, a marvel of engineering. This powerhouse packs a thrust of 1,680 kilogram force, propelling the aircraft to impressive speeds. On a typical day, the L-39 can reach a maximum speed of 750 kilometers per hour, which is approximately Mach 0.8 at sea level. That's nearly the speed of sound. But it's not just about speed. The L-39 Albatross boasts a range of 1,100 kilometers and a service ceiling of nearly 11,000 meters. That's high enough to soar above the highest peaks of the Himalayas. This range and altitude capability provide the flexibility needed for a wide variety of training missions, from low-level navigation to high-altitude aerobatics. The armament capabilities of the L-39 Albatross are equally impressive. It's equipped with a hardpoint under each wing, capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including gun pods, bombs, and rockets. This enables the L-39 to serve not only as a trainer, but also a light attack aircraft if necessary. But what truly sets the L-39 Albatross apart are its advanced features designed for the safety and comfort of the pilot. Central to this is the unique ejection seat system. The VS-1 BRI ejection seat is a 0-0 type, meaning it can safely eject the pilot and co-pilot even when the aircraft is stationary and at zero altitude. This is a critical safety feature that can save lives in the event of an emergency on the ground or during low-level flight. The cockpit of the L-39 Albatross is a blend of traditional and modern design. Analog gauges and dials provide a tactile, hands-on experience for the pilot, while advanced avionics offer a wealth of information at a glance. The layout is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, reducing cockpit workload and allowing the pilot to focus on the mission at hand. Another standout feature of the L-39 Albatross is its advanced avionics. The aircraft is equipped with modern navigation and communication systems, including VHF and UHF radios, a transponder, and an automatic direction finder. These systems ensure reliable and accurate navigation, vital for training missions that often involve long-distance flights and complex maneuvers. In conclusion, the L-39 Albatross trainer, with its powerful engine, impressive speed and range, versatile armament capabilities, and advanced features, is a sophisticated piece of machinery. It's a testament to the ingenuity and skill of its designers and engineers. The L-39 Albatross trainer, with its superior technical specifications, stands as a testament to impressive engineering and design. One might ask, why should India invest more in the L-39 Albatross trainer? Firstly, let's consider the training of pilots. The L-39 Albatross is a high-performance jet trainer, which means it can provide a realistic simulation of the flight conditions that pilots will encounter in combat aircraft. This kind of training is invaluable to pilots as it prepares them for the real thing and can drastically reduce the likelihood of accidents. Moreover, the L-39 Albatross has a reputation for being sturdy and reliable. It has a robust structure and is designed to withstand harsh conditions. This makes it a cost-effective choice for the Indian Armed Forces. Not only is the initial purchase price reasonable, but the maintenance and operational costs are also lower than those of many other trainer aircraft. This means that in the long run, investing in the L-39 Albatross could save the Indian Armed Forces a significant amount of money. But the benefits extend beyond just training and cost savings. The purchase of more L-39 Albatross trainers could also pave the way for technology transfer and local production. This could bolster India's own aerospace industry, creating jobs and contributing to economic growth. Furthermore, it could also enhance India's self-reliance in defense production, which is a strategic goal for the country. Finally, it's worth noting that the L-39 Albatross is not just a trainer aircraft. It also has light attack capabilities, which means it can be used in a variety of mission profiles. This versatility adds another layer of value to the aircraft and further justifies the investment. In conclusion, the L-39 Albatross trainer offers a multitude of benefits to the Indian Armed Forces, from superior training capabilities and cost savings to the potential for technology transfer and local production. This aircraft has a lot to offer. The acquisition of more L-39 Albatross trainers could be a game-changer for the Indian Armed Forces. To sum up our discussion, we've delved deep into the world of trainer aircrafts, their pivotal role in shaping the skill sets of Air Force pilots, and the standout star of this category, the L-39 Albatross trainer. We've unpacked the myriad of technical details that make this aircraft an exceptional choice for training. With its cutting-edge technology, robust capabilities, and reliability, The L-39 Albatross truly embodies the essence of a top-notch trainer aircraft. We've also underscored why India should consider augmenting their fleet with more of these trainers. The acquisition of the L-39 Albatross would not only enhance the training of Indian pilots, but also add a significant layer of strength to the Indian Armed Forces. This is a strategic move that could yield substantial benefits in the long run. The L-39 Albatross trainer, a true marvel of aviation, holds the potential to significantly bolster the capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces.